What's going on, guys? Amity here and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm sharing with you guys how you can watch movies for free on YouTube. So what you'll need to do is go on youtube.com and then click on the sidebar if it's not visible, and then you'll need to scroll down to movies and shows. Then you'll need to look for movies which are free with ads, and as you guys can see, these ones are free to watch. Now YouTube has a limited collection of free with ads movies available in this category, and as of date they do not have anything for free under their shows category. However, there is a lot more content that you can watch for free by just using the search option. Now, when I am looking for movies, I use different ways to find out what movies are available. For example, I'll try to search for part 1 as a keyword, because it turns out that a lot of movies on YouTube are available in parts, and you can always use additional filters as well, like type movie, and then you want the content to be long. That will filter out some additional content that might not be movies as such. And as you guys can see, a lot of these are free movies. You do see some paid movies in the listing as well. Another thing that you can do is instead of just searching for part 1, you can do English part 1 if you're looking for English movies or movies with English content. Again, I'm gonna just select type movie and duration longer than 20 minutes, which will show me a ton of movies that are available for free on YouTube. Now sometimes the link might not work because there's always people spamming on YouTube with fake content. And another thing that you guys can do is, instead of doing like a part 1, you can also do English subtitles, because movies usually have subtitles. And then you filter with movie and duration long, in case you want to watch 4K movies, which might be a bit rare right now, but you can always try that option. And in this case, like, I'm not able to see any free movies with 4K content, so let's just disable that option. And yeah, we're back with lots of movies for free. In case you want to look for a movie with a different language, just type in like Korean, and you'll start seeing movies which are in Korean language or with Korean subtitles. In case you want to watch for Chinese, you can do the same. And remember that you always have to select the type and the duration. And let's say in case you want to watch Telugu movies, you can do that as well. And it works with pretty much any language. You can always modify your search a little bit more. Some people just type in like full movies, and that shows them like a variety of movies available on YouTube. You can also try other features like HD if you want higher quality videos. And I'm not exactly sure if there is a lot of free content available in other categories like 360 degree or 3D, but you can always try that out and see how things are. And the last thing is you can, if you want to like see latest movies, it's likely that they will be available if you select this year option. The chances are higher, even though like people can always upload older movies, but the chances of them being more recent with the this year option are higher. So you can try that. And then there's of course like sorting by rating. I usually go with just relevance, but you can always try out these features. And yeah, if you want to watch shows, then you can select that as well. I usually just go with movies. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other suggestions, just let me know through comments. And yeah, goodbye.